Okay, so first to start off with the Meen Kulambu, I have taken a large kadai, and once it's hot, I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Actually, when you add more oil, the taste becomes awesome. Okay, so the oil is hot. Let's add some mustard. Okay, so the mustard is spluttering. Now let's add some coriander leaves. Okay, so I have taken 1 medium-sized chopped onion and 5 to 6 garlic cloves chopped properly. If you're using a smaller garlic clove, then you can go for at least 10. So be careful when you're adding the ingredients. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. I have chopped 1 medium-sized tomato. Just be careful. Okay, so the tomatoes have cooked well. Don't worry about the quantity of oil. Just wait and watch till the end. It's gonna look so appetizing and tasty. So now it's time to add some masala. Actually, I'm using Koduva masala or the gravy masala here. It's ready-made, and I will just give the link in the description below. I'm using about 3 tablespoons of masala. Even if you don't have this masala, it's okay. You can just add the turmeric, red chili powder and coriander powder as per your requirement. So now I'm mixing this well. So now it's well mixed. It's time to add the tamarind water. So I have taken about 1 large sized tamarind ball and mixed it with about 400 ml of water, and I have extracted the pulp out of it. So first let's add this. So basically this coriander is dominated by the sour taste of tamarind, and that's what gives it that unique taste. So I'm going to leave it like this and let the oil separate, and then we will add water. Okay, so the oil is separated well, and you can see the texture also has become thick. So in this stage we will add some water. We will add water as per the requirement. So I'm just I have 4 pieces of fish, so that's why I'm adding a lot of water. In this stage, let's add some salt. I'm just adding a little because the fish is also coated with salt. Now let this gravy boil for at least 10 minutes till the water shrinks a little. So it's been 10 minutes now, and you can see the oil and the masalas have nicely separated. Okay, so at this stage we will add the fish pieces. So I have taken the head and the tail of the fish because that is what is basically used in the Kulambus. and the other body parts, the other flesh part is used for the fries. So what I have done here is I have marinated the pieces with some turmeric, little bit of salt, and also some lemon juice. And I made this just before starting the gravy, so it won't take much time to marinate also. Okay, so let's add the pieces one by one. So once when you start adding the fish pieces, keep the flame in low to medium, and avoid stirring the gravy again and again once when you add the fish pieces, or else the fish might break. Okay, so I have reduced the flame. So let this stay for about 5 minutes. Add some chopped coriander leaves and cover and cook it for 5 minutes. The gravy is well cooked. You can see that it has become thick than before, and I'm also not disturbing the fishes inside. So I said earlier, right, why so much oil? So you can see how nice it is, and even while eating it gives a distinct flavor, because of which it becomes the most tastiest coriander you will have. Okay, so now let's just top it up with some coriander. So our soda tasty Meen Kulambu is ready. Serve it hot, and the best part of Meen Kulambu is you can have it the next day and it will taste much better than today. And also there are some people who add coconut milk to this. So I prefer not to add, so that this can be consumed the next day also. If coconut milk is added, it should be consumed on the very same day. Okay, so I hope you love this recipe. Do try this in your home and tell me your feedbacks in the comment below. So like, share and subscribe to my channel to watch more such great content. And see you until the next video. Take care. Bye bye.